So hey guys, today we'll be learning how to use this particular extension, Chrome Inspector. So how to install this particular extension? We can go to this particular link and we can add to Chrome, and it will come to this particular. It will be installed to the particular site. We can also search this particular extension with the name Color Picker Inspector, and then it will come to this website and it will be added there. So after there, what we can do is that we can inspect the color of websites. So suppose there is a particular button or something, suppose there is this we want to inspect, we can see the color is there, all the properties will be there. So it's great. Suppose we want to change it, we can click on change and we can change the color to red. Click on apply and we can change, I guess, background as well. So if we click on change background, we can change it to from here, the palette, everything, and then apply, it will be green. So this is how it works. It is very simple to use and very easy. Here we can click to write the review for it. So when it will be published in the store, it will be able to see. So guys, it's a great extension. Please don't miss on it, and thanks for watching this video.